Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Euro AUD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, Euro AUD from the lower time frame has reached a very important liquidity zone and can give us significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, what do you see that Euro AUD is a long-term bullish market. With this monthly impulse, we have seen back-to-back 3 months of strong bullish move, followed by back-to-back 2 months of pullback. Now, with that pullback, we saw that Euro AUD has come to this important Fibonacci level. If we take from high to the low, low to the high, we see that exactly at 61.8% Fibonacci level, Euro AUD had a strong rejection towards the upside. Now, with that rejection, once the market opened, initially we have seen that Euro AUD has tested the monthly high and then has come back down so far this month and tested this important monthly support. And again, Euro AUD rejecting towards the upside. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame, we see that from the weekly perspective, also Euro AUD has come to this important weekly liquidity zone, and from this liquidity zone has formed a narrow doji, has gone up with this strong impulse, followed by, we saw previous week there is a doji. Now this doji has crossed this liquidity zone, which is also an important level, crossing the previous weekly doji's low. Now this week we have seen that the sellers were so aggressive that it has broken almost back to back 2 weeks low, which is a very high liquidity. So now the price is rejecting. As we see, the price created this liquidity trigger, breaking all this weekly low. We can expect now revert back to the resistance zone. What I think that we could see Euro AUD might continue to rise. As we see, this is a long-term direction of the trend, and the price grabbing liquidity from the support. That means that we can expect Euro AUD to continue to rise. Now, if we look at the daily, we can see a bit more clearer picture that where you see that back to back 3 days of a strong drop, and this support level on Euro AUD is extremely important. We saw this is where back to back two daily candles gathered liquidity, created this movement. Now, the same liquidity zone today, we have seen that Euro AUD hit with a very long bearish candle. Now, from ATR perspective, this candle is almost nearly 2 ATR. And when you see that Euro AUD has hit this such an important level with a big ATR, we can expect now a bounce of this level. As we see, long-term direction of the trend is up, and we see that Euro AUD has made this massive move with this full green candle. This liquidity zone has been triggered multiple times. We can expect now Euro AUD to continue to rise towards its uptrending market direction. Now, if we look at the intraday perspective on the 4 hour, you see there is a doji is being formed. Now this candle is closing 1 hour 20 minutes from this time of recording, but we saw that Euro AUD has a significant rejection from this level, from this liquidity zone. Now with that rejection, what we can expect on Euro AUD is to continue to rise. Now this is where I will be waiting for on the lower time frame for this potential bullish move on Euro AUD. As soon as you will find suitable entry, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.